Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So we already published so many apps in the Play Console and other platforms. So many people has been requested how to upload in a Updown admin panel. So here is a basic third party panel. It's like in a third party only. It's the way people can able to download the multiple apps in one place only. So it has a Windows and website and Android application. So today we already been published one app that is 2248 hexagon number merchant game. So this game we want to publish in the Updown platform, and already we had taken all the screenshot and description and everything. So as this is in a description, so let's we go and we publish this application. Okay, so. mm, so here is our panel. So here what we will going to do, first thing we will going to add new app, and it's a platform that is whether it's the Android or Mac or Windows. So if you click on everything, it has a different thing. So we want to just upload the Windows. So it's asking the maximum 8 GB, please ULR file from the large so we can able to browse our APK and we can able to publish. So before that I want to copy the path of it and browse it. So I will just paste the path here. So here is the latest APK that have been tested 5. So this is a tested 5. So here I will do just upload it. So it will be just we have been uploading the APK. As you can see, the bar is going up. So it is like in a 54.14 MB file. It's an APK. So that's the reason we are not uploading the ABB file. We are uploading direct APK. So because the APK why we are publishing it is like in a sign up thing. Okay, because while we have been signing the output, it will be with the signing system will be there in that. So that's the reason we have been doing that. So wait for a few minutes till it's been going to upload all those things. It's taking time uploading. If you find any difficulty or any problem, let us know. We will going to guide you how you can able to do it, and we will going to fix it out. If you want to buy the Play Console and everything, so just you visit to our website, that is while it's been uploading I will show you the website of my resetInfotech.in. Who are required the 12 tester services, please go here 12 tester services. So here is the all the prices and everything. Whoever want to buy the consoles, organization account and personal account, so here is the organization and personal accounts are there with the app live. So whoever want to buy here, you can just contact to the, if you see the view option, here is all the information you can find. So you can buy it. Whoever require the application, they can contact to us for the testing 12 services also they can get. The website is resetinfotech.in. What is our app YouTube channel is there, that is only if you find, but in the video also you can able to see our mobile number, that is 7989860888. So we will come back, and still it's getting time to get a upload. So whoever require the 12 tester services, who want to publish their application or anything, they can reach to us, and we have a WhatsApp number also ours. Anytime you can able to reach to us, we will going to reply in the WhatsApp. It may be sometime maybe delay, but we will going to as soon as possible we will going to provide you the best information. And who are want to have a dunce number also, we have been providing the dunce services also. Just go to the services, whatever our services are there. So here is a dunce also, we have been providing web development and app development. So these are our basic services, and SEO optimization, digital marketing, IC consultancy. So these all the things we have been doing. So whoever required the dunce number also, for a reasonable price we have been charging to them. So requiring documents and everything, we will going to show you them whatever you things you want to have. So everything is here only. So whoever required, please let us know. So we will going to help you out. So okay, the app has been uploaded, and the app name is already been taken, and puzzles and the website name, because the website is already been live here at Play Store. So that's the reason it has been taken all the information here. So here is taking, the author is from Afghanistan it's taking, but it's in India, so I will click it as an India. And my app is contain the ads, you need to click it, that they continue the registration. Okay, here is a country is asking again, it's in India. Okay, so we select the all country, which countries you want to show it. So we'll select the all the countries. Okay, so all the countries has been done and India is done, so we will just do the save. So basic information it's already been taken because our app has been already published in the Play Store, so that's the reason. And it's asking for a screenshot, so we will going to get the screenshots here. So these all are our screenshots. Okay, screenshot has been done, pending for approval. Why it's been showing for pending? Maybe we have been uploaded our screenshot. It's asking for a feature image, so we will are going to upload the feature image also. Okay, a feature image also is done. It's any video. It's asking YouTube video has its Play Store. So same thing they is asking. So we doesn't have anything like that, and it is a default language is in English only. We're going to keep it, and everything is done here. So just we'll go into description here, the short and long description. The app is in Play Store also, we can able to copy from that, but before that I want to just copy from here only, so it will be very easy. Why it's been not copying here? I think I have been copied more than to that. Oh, because it's accept only 70 characters, so that's the reason. But in Play Store, that's character of 80 characters are there. Here is only 70 characters are there. So what I will going to do, I will just copy till here only. Let's say it is going to take. Okay, it's taken down. It's almost like I say 67 characters. The full body description in the 50 characters only. It's asking only 50 characters, but our description is large. It's been like in a 4,000 characters. So let's see whether it is going to take complete or not. So if it is not, then we have to edit some. Oh, it's oh is my god, it's been more information is there. We need only 50 characters, but here it's showing only this much. So what I will going to do, I will keep some information only. More still is there. It's better to keep me. Okay, I kept only 48 characters, otherwise it will going to get a reject, so that's the reason I don't want to say the description here. Please provide the at least one description in the language with at least 50 characters or more, it's saying. Okay, it's with some more, I will going to add more. Let's see, it's going to take. Oh, okay, we can able to add the 50 characters. Okay, done, it's done, no problem for that. Okay, then next section is a file. Okay, version, please edit your version information to disable, save it. Okay, rest of thing is same is their languages and description of the new feature. It's asking new feature has been uploaded. I will write the small description only here, so just we want to connect it, that's it. Okay, it's been done, pending for any review. Version 2 is there, and all the information has been taken. It's a free updated final result, and is there you can able to have it disable. We don't want to edit because it's already taken the version, so I don't want to edit or anything here. Save the information at the moment. All the information has been saved here. If you want, you can able to download your APK file also here. So now what we're going to do, submit our application for any review, and it's sure it's we confirming your app has been uploaded to a new file that are some submitted to a review changes throughout the information tab. So it's been pending. It's been gotten like in a review now, so we can able to see information tab also here, everything. So if we go in all apps, here is our app is showing as in a pending. We have to wait for a few minutes, then it will going to be activated. Okay, so like that you have to publish the application. If you face any problem, let us know, we will going to help you out. So I hope you people like our video. Thank you so much.